Good morning, everyone. Today is July 31st, just before 7 a.m. and I'm out on a Cobia mission. We're gonna try to get some croaker for bait. I will be fishing for sheep as well. Right now I'm going to drag this fish bite around, see if I can find a school of croaker, and we'll see if we can turn that into something big. It's very rare that I'm out here with 3 fishing rods. I really try to pack pretty light, but like I said, today we're going to try for a cobia. Involves a ton of luck, and see what happens. Water temp 77 degrees. I don't know if I said it, but it's 6:50 a.m. It is glass calm. The weather report was very wrong in the favorable direction. So predicting 7 to 10, and we are at 1 mile an hour. All right, hopefully we'll get on some fish. Get him rigged up on the big rod. Drag to set the hook, but not flip the kayak over. We're gonna let him chill out there. And start looking. Alright, this might be my cobia. which is not a small amount of drag. What a beautiful fish. He's gonna be close on the size. That complicated things. He just went straight through my net. All right, see if we can get a measure on him now. All right, 7:45, mission's accomplished. Thing swam right through my net, put a huge hole in it. I should have known better that the net wasn't gonna handle it, but it's like 44 inches, pretty much right on the dot. I got no way to really take care of it, so we're just going straight in and feed a few people with this one. This is my first keeper cobia from the kayak. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Really appreciate you guys. I will catch you on the next one.